In this video, we are going to multiply polynomials together. For the most part, it's going to be distribution. When you start putting positives and negatives, adding, subtracting, stuff like that, you're going to be doing some distribution stuff. But if you don't have any of that, then it's just very straightforward, normal multiplication. So you'll combine your x's, which is going to get you an x to the third. And then you combine the 4 and the 3, which will make 12, x to the third. All right. And then here, you'll get a negative 12 y to the fifth. Negative 6 and 2 make negative 12. The y squared and y cubed makes y to the fifth. And then here you have a negative times a negative, so that's a positive 3a squared. All right. So on the rest of these, this is a distribution thing. And it basically becomes multiple problems in one. That 2x is distributing into both of those. So it's 2x times x squared, which would be 2x to the third, minus 2x times 4x is 8x squared. All right, and then here, distribution again. So you're going to multiply stuff together. And let's see, we'll put it down here. So we have a negative 2 times a positive 2 is a negative 4. Y cubed times y squared, you got 3 y's here, 2 y's here, that makes 5 y's. And then a negative 2 times a positive 5 is a negative 10. Y cubed times y is y to the fourth. Negative 2 times a negative 6 is a positive 12 y cubed. All right, and then if you do this one, same thing. So we'll distribute that. So that's a 12a to the fourth. Distribute this, so that's a minus 8a to the third, because it's 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times a squared is a cubed. And then minus 4a times a is 4a squared. All right, and then here on the next type of problems, you just have more distribution going on. So we have x times x. So this x is going to distribute to both of these two. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. And then you'll have a 4 that's going to distribute to both. So 4 times x is 4x. And then 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Now, pretty often you're going to have some like terms that you're going to have to combine together. So here, if we combine them, we'll have an x squared. Here are like terms, plus a 2x, and then minus 8. Okay. Now for the other two, I'm going to do a little bit of a different route. These are going to be, well, actually, I'm going to go back and do this one again. That we're going to do, we're going to make boxes to multiply this stuff together. Because the challenge is once you get kind of past this level, then you're looking at this level. This level is you have a 3x that's going to distribute up to all three. You got a negative 5 that's going to distribute to all three. And you got 6 pieces. You're going to make sure that you keep track of and make sure you distributed everything. And then here, you're going to get even more. So we have a visual way of doing that. I'll put that together on the next video.